Hello everyone, this is By Shyam Bikesh and today I am back with a new topic that is from grade 12 meanings into words unit 4. So in unit 4 we are going to discuss about if there is one thing. This is a very important topic from the examination's point of view. In your final examination, if there is one thing is mostly asked from this unit. So we will discuss about this if there is one thing. So first thing you have to think, when we use there, that means we are focusing on a particular topic, we are focusing on a particular thing, we are focusing on a particular activity. So here we are using there, that means we are focusing on someone's particular behavior, particular activities. Now, so for this we have to think for the two structures. We have to go for two structures. The first one is if there is one thing that plus V5 me its people dot. The next one is if there is one thing that plus I plus V1 plus its people dot dot. So there are two structures. If there is one thing plus that plus V5 plus me, and the next one is if there is one thing plus that plus I plus V1. So in these two structures we have a very slight difference, that is after this that you have to use V5 and object, and the next one is after this that you have to use I plus V1. So see, when there is object you can use V5, when there is subject you have to use V1. So there you cannot write the object and here you cannot write the another subject. So these are the difference, and this is very short trick. We can see the question. For example, the question will be asked in this way: people who smoke in restaurants annoy me. This is the question, and the same question will be asked in another way. For example, I hate people who smoke in restaurants. See, the question is the same. People who smoke in the restaurants annoy me. I hate people who smoke in the restaurants. So say people who smoke in the restaurants, this is an activity. No? People who smoke in restaurants, this is an activity. So what is your attitudes toward this activity? This is annoying. You hate this. Oh yes, this is your attitudes towards the certain activity, towards this particular activity. So you have to express your attitude, that is reaction. So see here is your attitudes annoy me. The verb comes first, this verb, and this is object. And here is your attitudes. In this attitude you have to use the subject in the first, and then hate is here V1. So where there is verb and object, use the structures with verb and object. Where there is the attitudes with subject and verb, so use the structures with subject and verb. Very simple. So write here, if there is one thing, you have to write in every answer, if there is one thing that, and after this that you have to write the verb and object. So the verb and object, the verb will be in V5 form because there is the singular one thing. So annoy, what is the V5 of annoy? Annoys me, then it's people. Now write the activity. If there is one thing that annoys me, it's people who smoke in restaurants. Okay, and the next one is if there is one thing that And what is the attitude here? I hate. So I plus B1 is given here. So I hate it's people who smoke in restaurants. In this way, you can do all the questions of this particular chapter. You can do the questions from the book or the old is gold. And if you have any problems, any difficulties in any questions, you can drop the questions there in the comment box. I'll certainly respond to them. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.